Welcome to Lesson 3 for EFT Tapping with Course in Miracles. You can always go back to Lesson 1 that has the introduction to what this is all about, but we jump right in. So Lesson 3 continues with the same sort of premise and approach as 1 and 2. So this time it's saying, I do not understand anything I see in this room or in whatever environment you are in. So let's tap on the side of the hand and repeating after me, even though this lesson is suggesting that I don't understand a single thing I see. And that may bring up some feelings, or my mind might be questioning that premise. I choose to accept myself and any feelings that come up. Even though I'm being asked to say that I don't understand a single thing I lay my eyes upon, that may bring up some reactions in me, or just seem odd and confusing. But I choose to honor and welcome everything that comes up. Even though this lesson is asking me to outright say that I don't understand a single thing I see, I choose to honor and accept anything that brings up in me, and I'm open to exploring as best I can what is suggested here, which is to keep an open mind and to, quote, see things exactly as they are, and be curious about what that actually means. Okay, now we'll actually do it this time while tapping, just like the other two, because the exercise is to look at the objects. And so I'm going to say blank, and it's just whatever your eyes gaze upon. So replacing blank with the name of the object and say, I do not understand blank. I do not understand this blank. I do not understand this blank either. And allowing myself to be as indiscriminate as possible. And noticing that there are some things that I think I understand and maybe have a lot of meaning for me. And I'm being directly asked to lay that aside. So I'm going to try it with the next object. I do not understand blank. I do not understand blank. And then if you can see at a further distance anywhere, letting yourself take some more in, say, I do not understand blank either. And I don't understand blank. And it says that this exercise is to help show me how little I actually understand. And I choose to be open to that. And just looking at the next object and saying, I do not understand blank. And I do not understand blank. And one more. I don't understand blank either. And I choose to allow whatever possibly imperceptible shifts that might have made. Even if it seems like that's not doing anything, or if that doesn't make a lot of sense to me, or if part of me is saying, but I do understand it, I just welcome all of that. And I'm open to trusting that there is some point to all of this. And if it calls me to do this again later, I will. Okay, take a breath. All right, in lesson 1 it says to do it again, morning and evening as an example, and then it doesn't explicitly say that with 2 or 3, but it might be implied. I'm not 100% sure, but you can go easy with it. Definitely says in the first one to not strain, not force it. So if you feel called to do it again later, or if you recheck and it feels like it's very explicit to do it again later, you can go ahead and explore it again on your own. I find the tapping helps keep me in it and not just wandering into my mind, and really kind of noticing and relaxing all of the names and meanings and labels. And oh yeah, that's that. I got this 10 years ago, and this is its function in the world, and I like it, I don't like it, I need a new one, etc. So I hope it helps. I'd love to hear your comments, if this is bringing anything up for you, or if you're enjoying this. And I will see you tomorrow on lesson 4. Thanks so much. Take care.